Hi friends, how are you? As you can see, this mobile has pattern lock. You can see how I have tried to more, but it is not working. But I am going to format this mobile. This mobile is Redmi Note Pro, Redmi Note 5 Pro. So I am going to hard reset this mobile and power off this mobile. So you have to format and hard reset by volume and power button. You can see here power button and volume plus button pressed to hold distance 16 to 20 seconds. You can see here I have pressed button and do it. It's working now. And leave button power and hold volume button. You can see here you can see web data. Scroll down by volume. You can see here press by power button and confirm it. So guys, it's automatically format mobile and go back, press ok and reboot it. Press power button. Guys, if you are interested in my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Do it. It is formatting now. And how reset. Do it. It's working now. For the setup, there are setup. You can see here and escape it. After go and next, checking for update. You can see here. Guys, click on setup as a new. Just a second. You can see here account edit and next, getting information. Next, turn on. No thanks. Next, more. I agree. No thanks. Guys, mobile pattern lock is removed now. You can see here allow. If you are interested on my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. So now I am going to next video. Guys, setup is completed now. You can see here. So now bye, be back later, see you next video. Okay.